Hello everyone, today we would like to introduce our automatic laser welding machine for you. This machine is mainly used for automatically batch welding on production line. This machine used 150-watt laser source. It is JPT-QQ laser source, more stable and powerful. This source is air cooling, no need water cooler. More convinced? Here we can see it is an 3-axis linkage module. It is high precision, the XYZ axis move automatically. This is an rotary fixture for pipe welding. As we can see, the rotary fixture can adjust the angle. Suit for us find the right angles when we are welding. Here is an smash motor, it can protect our welding head falling down when the power failure suddenly. As we can see all the cable on the desktop, we have used and drag chain to protect them. Let us take a look at the internal wiring structure of the machine. The wiring is neat with protect sleeves for high voltage line. Here is an CCD, it can help us see the welding effect during welding. Let us see how it working.